Tether roof off, we gonna tether roof off the mother sucker. Tether roof off the sucker. Tether roof off, we gonna tether roof off the mother sucker. Tether roof off the sucker. Tether roof off, we gonna tether roof off the mother sucker. Tether roof off the sucker. Tether roof off, we gonna tether roof off the mother sucker. Tether roof off the sucker.
Hello.
Hi, is this a toilet plumber?
Yeah, this is him.
Yeah, so are you available? I took a massive dump, like a humongous shit. It's like really big shit, man. Actually kind of scared of floating.
Yeah, okay, just give me your address and I'll be there.
Kylie, there's a closet full of my clothes. She cannot just dismiss me and think that she can just go into my closet and take things without asking. Our parents taught us how to respect at a young age, and for some reason, Kylie does not have that. So she needs to be more respectful.
I have a lot of your stuff.
Thank you.
Hey.
I don't know.
It's about time you're
Cam
here.
was coming. I'm always invited with Jonathan and Simon. I thought you had a business dinner with Mom.
A new job?
Picture this, I'm a bag of dicks, put me to your lips, I am sick, I will punch a baby bear in his shit, give me lip, I'ma send you to the yard, get a stick, make a switch, I can end the conversation real quick, I am crack, I ain't lying, kick a lion in his crack, I'm the shit, I will fall off in your crib, take a shit, hit your mama on the booty, kick your dog, fuck your bitch, that boy dressed up like he Santa and took pictures with your
You are the greatest. You right there, you're gonna nail this. You are the GOAT. You are the GOAT. You know what? Mario is a amateur. And I am the mother GOAT. You're the GOAT. And you're gonna nail him. No. You are going to nail the interview.
Dan Stevens.
Oh, yep.
Ben. Come.
Hey, hi.
Dan Stevens.
Hi,
I'm Desimon.
Hi, I'm Dan Stevens.
I know, I just said your name.
Yeah.
Take it easy.
Yeah.
So, Dan. You're here for the interview for the job?
That is the correct option of using words in a language, yes? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I see here you were a plumber and nothing, just a plumber.
Yeah. Smiley face.
Did you go to any school?
Yeah, the California Plumbing School.
Plumbing school.
Yeah, you know, they call it the Harvard of plumbing.
Harvard?
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about yourself.
Oh, you know, I of course used to work as a goat. Yeah.
What?
No. Sorry, not a goat. I am the goat.
You
but-
worked as a plumber, right?
Yeah, I'm plumber. I'm Dan.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, I'm a plumber. Thank you. Okay, let's start again. I'm a really hard jerker.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early. daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses. No expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow.
So, how did it go?
Well, I didn't get it.
Oh, so sad.
Oh, Mom! Oh, that's actually...
Well, I do have another job for you, you know. Something you might actually be good at.
Really?